Hi everyone, this is Miss Becker. I know that we are doing packets again and that's no fun and I'm so sorry about that. I hope you had a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving. My goal for this video is to help you get through some of the assignments from your packet for the week of November 30th. I'm going to do a video for each of the assignments just so you can see what you're supposed to do. I do have the packet next to me. The first page that you're going to have in your packet is going to look like this. This is just a little notes page for you. You have two copies, one that you can send back after you have completed it, and the other one is for you to keep to use while you are doing your assignments for the next week or so. So you're going to cut on the dotted line. So now, like I said, you have two of the same thing, okay? I'm just going to put one to the side and show you how to use this one. So you have your steps. Step one, divide the numerator by the denominator. So we are turning a fraction into a percent is our goal. So it tells you your steps. Divide the numerator by the denominator, multiply your answer by 100, put a percent sign. So then you flip it over. They divided 13 divided by 20, and they got 0.65 or 65 hundredths. They multiplied by 100 and got 65. And then way down here, you can see that they did 65%. So if on the U try, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to divide in your calculator or on paper 12 divided by 15. So this in turn is 12 divided by 15. And you're going to get an answer. So you're going to write your answer here. Then you're going to take your answer. So this blank, put it here. Multiply that by 100. And you're going to have a whole number. And then you're going to put this answer here and add a percent sign. Okay, so do 12 divided by 15 in your calculator. Get your answer. Move this answer here. Multiply it by 100 and get your second answer. Move that answer here and add your percent sign at the end. Okay, I hope that's helpful on the notes section or the first page in your packet for this week. The next page in your packet looks like this: fraction and recipe mix up. So you have your recipe for green mashed potatoes. This side is the fraction. This side is the decimal recipe. Your directions, it's a little blurry, but they say for each ingredient, tell whether the fraction or decimal relationship is correct or incorrect. If it is incorrect, make the decimal match the fraction. Explain in words what made the relationship incorrect. So I've done the first two for you to help you. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So the first one is potatoes. So we're going to look at our potatoes. We need to decide if 3.5 potatoes is the same as 3.20. Well, they both have a 3 as the whole number, so we know that part's right. So we have to compare the fraction and the decimal. The easiest way to do that is take your fraction, 1/2, and turn it into a decimal, 1 divided by 2, just as we did in the notes. Numerator divided by denominator equals, when you type that in your calculator, you're going to get 0.5. Is 0.5 equal to 0.20? Remember, there's an imaginary 0 in here. So is 50 equal to 20? It is not. So I said that it's incorrect To convert a fraction to the decimal, divide the numerator by the denominator. Therefore, 3.5 equals 3.5, which is not 3.2, which you could add that, which is not 3.20. So that's how I got incorrect for potatoes. The next one was milk. So these fractions have been some of the ones that we said you needed to know in your head by the end of the year. I'm going to go ahead and work them out just to remind you and to go through the steps. We're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to convert the fraction to the decimal. So we have 1 divided by 4, which is 0.25. That is the same. So your answer is correct. So remember, we like to see your work. So you might want to go ahead and make a paper that looks just like mine. On the top, label it fraction and decimal recipe. Mix up and show your work. And this will even help you with when you have to do the words on this side. Okay, I hope that helps with the fraction and decimal recipe mix up. I'm going to stop this video before it gets too long, and I will do another one with the next assignment on it.